Have you ever had a problem on your project where you have not been able to track what money was being spent? I'm Elizabeth Harrin, I write about project management, and I have had this problem. I have found myself in situations where people are spending my project budget and I have literally no idea where the money is going and what is going on. And I'm still expected to do a monthly report, including budget figures. This is a nightmare for project managers and really should not be happening. However, it happens, and I want to give you some tips about how you can deal with that if you ever find yourself in the same situation. The first thing I would do is make sure that you reiterate to everyone that you are tracking the budget. So even if you have no power to approve invoices or to create purchase orders or to sign them off, then you still need to be able to have that information for tracking purposes. And we call it tracking because it sounds like admin, nobody else wants to do it. And if they want to have a complete view of what's happening on the project, somebody needs to do that, it needs to be you. Having that information is incredibly powerful because it makes you more able to take the right decisions for your project. So I would strongly recommend that you do look at getting that tracking process set up and in place. The next thing I would do is make sure that even senior people know that information, that they need to be copying you in. I would also make sure that the finance team know that I have a role to do with tracking and budget management, so that they are copying me into their requests as well. And you might need to get your sponsor to facilitate that with finance if they are a bit reticent about sharing information with you. So they've got no interest really in the finance department of receiving invoices that do not have a matching purchase order, that have not been approved and that they cannot pay. So if you can put in place some streamlined processes that help get that work done, that's going to be better for everybody. So don't make yourself a bottleneck. You want to pitch it perhaps that you're not there to approve or reject funds because you know that's above your pay grade. I don't think it should be as a project manager, but in many companies the project management and the financial management are decoupled. It's just how it is, and we have to work in that environment. And hopefully if you build a good working relationship with finance, you let people know what's going on and you are tracking your budget as things come in, you'll start to be able to pull together a consolidated picture of what is being spent. And that's going to make everybody's life easier. Your reports will be more accurate. Finance will be getting information that they can then process. And hopefully everyone will be glad that that useful information is now available to them. Okay, that's my tip for today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.